Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start, this podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Friday morning, October 31st, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of legal news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
Paolo Gnocchi joined Scrofano Law PC after 2 decades defending clients in Maryland and D.C. Attorney Paolo Gnocchi, a trilingual trial lawyer fluent in English, Spanish, and Italian, with over 20 years of courtroom experience, joined Scrofano Law PC's Maryland criminal defense team. Known for fearless advocacy and client-centered representation, Mr. Gnocchi has successfully defended clients in challenging criminal cases. His background includes serving as an assistant state's attorney in Baltimore City before transitioning to criminal defense. Recognized by super lawyers and highly rated on Avo, Mr. Gnocchi is praised for his diligence, empathy, and legal acumen. For a confidential consultation, contact Scrofano Law PC at 301-916-4226.
Relentless in the pursuit of justice, attorney Joseph A. Scrofano defends D.C. with grit and integrity. Scrofano Law PC, led by founding attorney Joseph A. Scrofano, is a premier criminal defense firm in Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Northern Virginia. Known as Scruff Justice, Mr. Scrofano has litigated over 1,000 cases, fighting tirelessly for individual rights. With a reputation for fearless advocacy, he represents clients before D.C. Superior Court and the United States District Court. Mr. Scrofano's commitment to excellence has earned him distinctions such as being named a rising star by super lawyers. Specializing in DUI cases, he is certified to conduct standardized field sobriety tests. Scrofano Law PC, with offices in D.C., Rockville, and Fairfax, is dedicated to defending clients' rights and securing fair outcomes in criminal cases. Contact them for a confidential consultation at 202-240-992 or visit scrofanolaw.com. Relentless, prepared, and proven, Matthew Kensky joins Scrofano Law PC in Fairfax. Matthew Kensky, a widely respected Northern Virginia criminal and traffic defense attorney, has joined Scrofano Law PC in Fairfax. Known as the professor for his expertise in Virginia criminal case law, Kensky brings over 2 decades of courtroom experience to the firm. He has a reputation for clear, compassionate client communication and has handled extensive trial work and appellate advocacy across various Virginia counties. Former clients describe him as a rare gem for his relentless advocacy and meticulous preparation. Kensky, a graduate of James Madison University and George Mason University School of Law, is excited to be part of a team that shares his values at Scrofano Law PC. For a confidential consultation, contact Scrofano Law PC at 703-584-5334. Immigration lawyer Ariadne Berrios offers bilingual legal services across the U.S. The law offices of Ariadne Berrios, led by attorney Ariadne C. Berrios, offers bilingual immigration services for individuals, families, and businesses nationwide. Attorney Berrios, admitted in multiple jurisdictions, provides legal representation in removal defense, family and employment petitions, waivers, and appeals. With offices in Las Vegas, Nevada, and Puerto Rico, the firm offers personalized attention and direct bilingual communication in English and Spanish. Attorney Berrios emphasizes clear strategy, relentless advocacy, and respectful guidance for clients facing immigration challenges. Contact the law offices of Ariadne Berrios today to begin your path toward a secure future in the United States.
Attorney Nicholas J. Rigo, 15 years of dedicated service to Georgia's injured. For over 15 years, Attorney Nicholas J. Rigo has been assisting Georgia residents with personal injury cases, drawing on a strong foundation in real estate, collections, and probate law. A graduate of Georgia State University College of Law, Rigo is known for his personal approach, limiting his caseload to provide individual attention to each client. He is a member of various legal associations and is committed to fighting for fair compensation for his clients. Rigo Law Firm, founded by attorney Nicholas J. Rigo, specializes in personal injury and civil litigation matters, representing victims of car accidents, slip and fall incidents, and medical malpractice. Contact Rigo Law Firm today for a free consultation with attorney Nicholas J. Rigo.
Washington, D.C. Criminal defense attorney Jason M. Kalafat brings over 2 decades of trial experience to Scrofano Law PC. Jason M. Kalafat, a seasoned criminal defense attorney with over 2 decades of trial experience, has joined Scrofano Law PC as senior trial attorney. Known for his strategic approach and unrelenting advocacy, Kalafat has litigated hundreds of cases ranging from misdemeanors to serious felony offenses. With a focus on DUI, aggravated DUI, firearms, and drug crimes, he has represented clients in both state and federal courts. Kalafat's professionalism and courtroom command have earned him accolades, including a high AVO rating and recognition as a super lawyer. At Scrofano Law PC, he continues to defend individuals facing criminal charges with dedication and confidence. For a confidential consultation, contact Scrofano Law PC at 202-521-4944.
Former prosecutor and longtime defender Gretchen Taylor Pousson champions justice with Scrofano Law PC. Gretchen Taylor Pousson, a former prosecutor and longtime defense attorney, now leads the Virginia criminal defense practice at Scrofano Law PC. With over 30 years of trial experience, Pousson offers powerful advocacy for individuals facing criminal charges in state and federal courts across Northern Virginia. Her unique perspective from working on both sides of the courtroom allows her to provide compassionate representation. Recognized as a super lawyer and AVO top attorney, Pousson is known for her courtroom excellence and personal dedication to every client. To schedule a confidential consultation, contact Scrofano Law PC at 73865-7000.
The hidden costs of misclassifying employees, what growing companies need to know. Employee misclassification can have hidden costs for growing companies. Misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor can lead to legal and financial consequences. Companies may do this to save costs, but it's illegal. The complexities of employment classification at federal and state levels can lead to confusion. Penalties from the IRS, DOL, and state labor departments can be severe. To avoid misclassification, companies should conduct regular audits, provide proper training, and maintain clear documentation. Supervisors and managers need to understand the difference between contractors and employees, and administrative records should reflect these distinctions to minimize errors. Crowson Law Group shares vision for the future of legal representation in Anchorage. Crowson Law Group, a leading Alaska personal injury law firm, shares its vision for the future of legal representation in Anchorage and throughout the state. The firm is committed to helping injured Alaskans secure full and fair compensation, setting the standard for compassionate, client-centered advocacy. From accidents involving trains, trucks, aircraft, motorcycles, or cars, Crowson Law Group fights for clients' rights and the compensation they deserve. With a focus on trust, compassion, and results, the firm remains dedicated to guiding clients through every step of the legal process. Crowson Law Group's vision includes expanding access to quality legal representation while maintaining personalized service and dedication to their clients. For a free consultation, visit or contact Crowson Law Group today.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.